Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's paper 3 to February March question number 2 and the year 2022. We need to find the complex number w which satisfies the equation w square plus 2 iota w conjugate is equal to 1 are such that real part of w is less than 0. Give your answer in the form of x plus iota y where x and y are real. Okay, let's start. We suppose that complex number z is equal to x plus iota y. Look at the equation. This equation involves w square. So we need to take the square of the w separately and w conjugate. You just change the sign of iota. So this becomes a w conjugate. Now, by taking the square, it is x plus iota y whole square, and the square is equal to x square plus 2 iota xy and plus iota square and y square. When you simplify this, you write x square minus y square plus iota into 2xy, and where we mentioned that iota square is equal to minus 1, and once you have this iota square equal to minus 1, it means that it becomes minus y square iota. No, there is no iota with y square. It means it becomes the real part. So you combine the real parts. X square minus y square is the real part, and the coefficient of iota is the imaginary part. Okay, now we put all these values into the equation, and equation says that w square plus 2 iota w conjugate is equal to 1. This implies that now I'm substituting the values. W square is x square minus y square plus iota into 2xy plus 2 iota w conjugate. Conjugate is x minus iota y is equal to 1. Because it is a complex number, we can write 1 as 1 plus 0 iota. Alright, if you again write the real and imaginary part separately, it would be 2 iota xy minus 2 iota square y. This value of iota would be changed with negative sign. Okay, as iota square is equal to minus 1, this implies that x square minus y square is the real part, so we'll take that real part with this, and it is plus 2y. And if I take iota common, then 2xy and plus it is let me write it. It is 2 iota x. When you take iota common, it will become 2x is equal to 1 plus 0 iota. Comparing real and imaginary part. X square minus y square plus 2y, and this number would be equal to 1. And this is 2xy plus 2x because it is the imaginary part, and this imaginary part would be equated with the imaginary part on the right hand side, which is equal to 0. Now we need to simplify these two equations with the method of simultaneous equations. And if I write 2x as common, it would be y plus 1, which is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. Put y is equal to minus 1 in above equation, which means x square minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 1. X square minus 1 and minus 2 is equal to this one. Minus 3, so it is 1 plus 3. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus minus 2. What is x? X is basically real part of W, and real part of W is equal to plus minus 2. As given, that real part of W is less or equal to 0. So what do? We take real part of W is equal to minus 2. And this value of the real part have been obtained when y was minus 1. This implies that W is equal to x plus iota y, and value of x is equal to minus 2, and value of iota is minus 1. So it is minus iota. As a real part of W is less or equal to 0, this implies that x is equal to 0 will also be used. So when you put x is equal to 0 to the question, then it is x is equal to 0 minus y square plus 2y, which is equal to this one, and this implies that W is equal to x plus iota y. By substituting the values of x and iota y, it would be x plus iota. Okay, so our final answer would be these two values, this one and this one. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.